My name's Adam Gibson. I'm the Trails Program Supervisor for Grand Canyon National Park. We have a little over 360 miles of trails that we do maintain here at Grand Canyon. There's many more miles that are routes that we do not maintain. But particularly in the inner canyon, we focus a lot on the Bright Angel Trail, the South Kaibab Trail, and the North Kaibab Trail. Those are the most complicated trails to work on. We focused a lot this year on the Bright Angel Trail, working north of Havasupai Gardens, working through a section that had gotten washed out during some monsoon events last year. And that's entailed quite a bit of high-line rigging operations to facilitate this construction, harvesting material up a talus slope from an old rockfall into Tapete sandstone. The canyon is erosive in nature, so we spend a lot of effort also rebuilding retaining walls when they do fail. When we have these rain events, particularly a heavy snowpack with maybe an early spring heavy rain, it'll create a lot of melt, a lot of runoff. And those types of significant events is when we'll have the most significant failures on these trail systems, and we have to go in there and rebuild these walls. And a lot of these walls, you stick around here long enough, you might find yourself rebuilding the same wall 3 to 4 times because of it's just the nature of the canyon, and it's in a location that has a lot of water flow or is near a lot of water flow. It's really helpful if you do stick to the path that we have, that we maintain. The trail itself, cutting switchbacks does cause damage to us. It often it starts causing damage to the resource, but more so, at least from the view of construction, it actually causes damage to where we have to go in there and often build a wall or rebuild a wall if they're take some of that structure out. And that's quite time consuming, and it's easily avoidable. Come into the parks and enjoy the resource. We want you to. It's, I've always seen it as a great privilege. It's been a great honor in my life to serve the public. We are all civil servants here, and it's been my great livelihood. And so come to the parks, enjoy them, and just enjoy these outstanding resources we have for everybody.